In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to get started with the email marketing platform Beehiiv. Whether you're a complete beginner, a content creator, a business owner, or an affiliate marketer, this guide will help you build your first newsletter from scratch. Beehiiv is an all-in-one newsletter platform that lets you create, publish, grow, and monetize an email newsletter without needing any coding skills. It combines email marketing, a website builder, audience management, analytics, and automation into one easy-to-use platform. How to create your Beehiiv account. The first thing you need to do is visit the Beehiiv website and click the Get Started or Sign Up button. You can create an account using your Google account, or you can sign up with your email address. Choose the option that's most convenient for you. Enter your first name, last name, and password, then click the Get Started button to continue. Verify your email by entering the OTP sent to your inbox. Then, verify your phone number by entering the verification code sent via SMS. Once both are verified, you'll be taken to the next step. After verifying your email and phone number, answer the onboarding questions based on your needs, then click Continue to finish the setup. Next, claim your Beehiiv URL, then click Continue. After that, choose the 14-day free trial plan and complete the remaining setup steps. Once everything is finished, you'll be taken to your Beehiiv dashboard. Now that your account is ready, let's make your newsletter look more professional by setting up a custom web domain and a custom email domain. First, go to Settings, then open the Domains section. To connect a custom web domain, click Add Custom Domain, enter your domain name, and follow the DNS instructions provided by Beehiiv. Once your DNS records are verified, your newsletter website will be available on your own domain. Next, set up your custom email domain. Click Add Email Domain, enter the domain you'll use to send emails, and add the required DNS records to your domain provider. After the records are verified, Beehiiv will use your branded email address for sending newsletters, helping improve your professional appearance and email deliverability. Once both domains are verified, your Beehiiv account is fully branded and ready to send newsletters. Next, let's configure your publication settings. Go to Settings, then open General Info. Here, you can update your publication name, description, logo, and other basic publication details. Now let's build your Beehiiv website. From the dashboard, click Build Your Website, then select New Site. Browse the available website templates and choose the one that best matches your brand. Don't worry, you can customize it later. Once you've selected a template, click Use Template to create your site. Next, customize your website by updating the logo, colors, fonts, navigation menu, homepage sections, and call to action buttons. You can also add featured posts, social media links, and your newsletter sign-up form. When you're happy with the design, click Save, then Publish to make your website live. Congratulations! Your Beehiiv website is now ready for visitors to discover your content and subscribe to your newsletter. Next, let's create a subscribe form for your website. From the Beehiiv dashboard, go to Subscribe Forms and click Create New Form. Give your form a name. For this example, we'll use Demo Form. Customize the form if you'd like, then click Save Changes. Once your form is saved, open it and click Get Embed Code. Beehiiv will generate an embed code that you can copy and paste into your website, landing page, or blog to start collecting email subscribers. Now your subscribe form is ready. Now it's time to create your first newsletter. From the Beehiiv dashboard, click Newsletter, then select Start Writing. Next, click New. You'll see two options, Blank Post and Template Post. For this tutorial, we'll choose Template Post to save time and start with a professionally designed layout. Select a template that fits your style, then customize it by editing the title, text, images, buttons, and other content to match your brand. Once you're happy with your newsletter, click Preview to review it on desktop and mobile. Finally, click Publish, choose whether to send it immediately or schedule it for later, and confirm your settings. Congratulations! You've just created and published your first Beehiiv newsletter. Now let's create your first email automation. From the Beehiiv dashboard, go to Automations and click Create Automation. The first step is choosing a trigger. A trigger is the event that starts your automation. It tells Beehiiv when the workflow should begin. For this example, we'll select manual trigger, which lets us start the automation ourselves. Next, add a time delay block and set it to 1 minute. This tells Beehiiv to wait 1 minute before moving to the next step. Now, add a send email action. Select the newsletter or email you want Beehiiv to send automatically. Finally, review your workflow and click publish to activate the automation. Your first automation is now live and ready to send emails automatically whenever it's triggered. Beehiiv also includes powerful tools to help you grow your newsletter. Features like recommendations and boosts can help you gain more subscribers and even earn revenue. You can organize your audience using tags, segments, and custom fields, while the built-in analytics lets you track opens, clicks, and subscriber growth. For teams, team collaboration makes it easy to work together, and integrations allow you to connect Beehiiv with your favorite apps and automation tools. As your newsletter grows, you can also use features like the referral program, paid newsletters, the Beehiiv ad network, landing pages, and SEO settings to expand your audience and grow your business. A clean and professional design helps your newsletter stand out and keeps readers engaged. Use your brand colors consistently, choose easy-to-read fonts, and avoid cluttering your layout with too many elements. Keep your headlines clear, use high-quality images, and include one strong call to action in each email. Always preview your newsletter on both desktop and mobile before publishing to ensure it looks great on every device. Congratulations! You now know how to set up your Beehiiv account, build a website, create subscribe forms, write newsletters, automate emails, and explore the platform's powerful growth features. If you're ready to start your own newsletter, click the Beehiiv link in the description to claim your 14-day free trial and begin building your audience today. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below with any questions or topics you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.